Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a new episode on the Volvo Amazon restoration. Thank you for tuning in. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so and leave a like. I really love all those comments you guys have posted on this build so far, so let's go. As you can see, this car has been already taken apart for most of it. This is already welded, other side is welded, like you have seen in all the previous videos. In the last video I have replaced the lower part of that piece over there, and today I'm gonna focus on this side and this side. We need to remove this piece. The centerpiece with the grills in there, the front bumper needs to come off. I really hope these bolts will get loose, because as you can see, those bolts are pretty nice and covered in undercoating. But yeah, we'll see. Let's go. I have been struggling for almost 2 hours right now to get this thing in, but the worst part of this is this corner will be fine. I have this corner already cut out, so that's on top of there. The holes line up, as you can see over there. I have screwed it down right over there, and there's a screwdriver holding it up over there. But the bad thing is, if I look down here, yeah, that is not what you want. This is what you get for a 260, I think, or 230 bucks worth of sheet metal. So yeah, I gonna try to fix this, and everything is empty. I'm watching Formula 1. My PC is empty every time. My phone is empty. My camera is empty. My Gopro is empty. So. So guys, brand new day, good morning, and yeah, we're gonna continue to work on these very bad fitting fenders. So if you followed me on Instagram, you have seen that these things don't fit how I want to, and of course you've seen it in the previous part of this video. Over here we have the car, and yes, in the previous part, like a minute ago, you have seen me working on this, and today I'm gonna continue to work, but I'm gonna try to fit the whole panel more backwards. The only problem is it's already a millimeter too short in comparison to the other metal, to the other panel. But why, when I film, is there always a train passing by here? But yes, it fits pretty well right now. So if you see it from here, it looks very decent. You don't see too big of gaps over there, but I will try to get this piece, this bottom piece, as flat as I can against the old metal of the car, and when that is all connected as good as I can get it, then we will try to weld it. So let's go. Guys, oh my god, I love it. Look at this line. so much straighter. The fender is on, and how it sits right now is the correct position. Height wise, length wise, width wise, everything. The bad thing about that, as you can see over here, we have a line which stops over here. This is how you want it. And then over there it's also pretty nice. So the front piece needs to come in a slight bit to that side. That is not a problem, although I just welded it on that spot, but that will be alright. I will try to figure that out right now. I'm gonna make some markings on the car and on the new plate so we can decide what is the correct seating position, just like the lines I made over here. And then when those are on, we can try to get it seated nice. The bad thing I found out is underneath here is that blue piece I just showed. So maybe you guys can see it like this. So there's the blue piece. So over here you can see where it's screwed down. So we need another like half a centimeter, like 5 millimeters or so, which the fender needs to come up. So I need to cut the panel loose again on this side and lift it up, which I already needed to do for this weird ass corner over here. But then when I can lift this piece and put the front more inside, then we should be able to just weld it in and finish this job. This fender is coming off, of course, because yeah, this is not a very correct way of mounting a headlight, I think. So yeah, weight reduction, bro. Look how freaking clean this thing is right now. We have a side which is perfect, as you can see that bulge over there. We have the holes right in the right place, and we can move the fender front to back, so we can shove it in all places we want to. And when you get over here, look at this. That's the correct height of the panel. Even the last holes line up almost perfectly. I need to cut out that corner on the fender. But yeah, this fender is also scrapped, so. And look at this, when we close the hood. Look at those lines. Oh, I love it. That's the stock line. And that's the line we have. I can't be happier. Let's go welding. So guys, I'm very dirty. It was a bit of a rough day getting the panel to fit, of course. You guys have seen that. But I'm pretty happy. Because if you look at this, then I guess you will find out why I'm happy. Over here we have the nice curvatures. Over here we have the nice curvatures. It's all the way closed up there, all the way to the top. Need to clean those welds up. But if you look at this, you can't even see. Yeah, on this spot you can even see. I was a bit too rough with this thing. I had the wrong bit in there, But yeah, I will clean that up. I'm pretty freaking happy about how this fits, and I will just grab the fender real quick. So yeah, it's on there now, very loose. That's why it's moving like crazy. But if I push these edges together correctly, then it looks like this. All the holes line up pretty decent. If you look at this, they line up perfectly in the middle. And when we go to here, well, that's the difficult part when it's completely loose. But you can see right now that we will be okay with all the gaps over there and stuff. So yeah, I'm pretty pleased with how this went. For yeah, the nightmare the panel was. The only bad thing about it is if you look at this over here, it's completely flat, and over here there's a slight curvature on this point where it turns in. You can feel that, you can almost not see it, but I don't think that will be a problem at all. It's just a fender mounting point, and you won't see that when the bonnet is closed. So yeah, I think I've done a pretty amazing job, if I say so myself, and I'm very pleased with how my welding has been improved since that disaster. But yeah, that was it for today. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing and leave a like down below. And yeah, if you want to be nice, leave a comment. And yeah, that was it for today. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next week.